Hi everyone. So I am really not very good at opening these on Saturday. So what I am going to do is I am going to open both number 3 and number 4. So I know it's a day early, but I think I'll post this on Saturday. So to you guys, it will be Saturday. So again, this is my February Advent from Ruby and Rose's Yarn. She is a 16-year-old dyer who makes beautiful yarn. So after this, I will just have one more to do, which hopefully I'll remember. I did buy March's though, so I'll have that one as well. So should I do a recap first? Okay, so here is number 1. I love that one. Here is number 2. I love this one too, but this one is my favorite so far. So let's see, number 3. So the Advent is just for fun, and it is to, you're supposed to open one every Saturday of Advent, or of February. Advent is clearly over. Ooh, look at this. So this is like blue and white. And I think that those are the only colors that I see in there. Very pretty. And she puts an inspirational photo up on her website. These are really pretty. I guess I should put them in a different order, huh? Put them in 1, 2, 3, like numerical order. Very pretty. And number 4. Let's check out this one. Ooh, I wasn't expecting that for sure. Oh, and she has a colorway that's this green. I think that this is the colorway that she shows on her podcast. It is beautiful. I don't remember what she calls it. Something like evergreen, or it's not that though. It's something like, I think it's 2 words, and it's like, I don't know. Feels like there's something like with the wind blowing, something, I don't know, but it is gorgeous. I love it. Gosh, honestly, I'm not a huge, I mean, I love green. I love all the colors, but I would wear a sweater in this green. It is so pretty. I've actually been looking for a green, and that's a nice one. So I have one more to open the last Saturday in February. So hopefully I'll remember to do it that day. But until then, I don't know what I'm going to do with these either. I'm thinking I might make like a little blanket with minis or something like that, and just kind of put them on whenever I feel like I want to, because I've gotten quite a few minis now, which is fabulous. I'm just not sure exactly what I'm going to do with them. Or I was thinking they'd make cute like heels, cuffs, and toes, which is what I originally thought of. So I don't know. I mean, I guess I can do any of the combination, but look at these even together. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. So pretty. I'm just keeping them in their own so that I can show them off, but I won't care that which one was which way at the end. But oh my goodness, beautiful. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that you have a wonderful day, and check her out. Bye-bye.